Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we solve complex problems? Enter Deepseek, a cutting-edge AI platform designed to dive deep into vast amounts of data, uncover hidden patterns, and provide actionable insights. But what exactly is Deepseek, and why is it so important? Deepseek is an advanced AI system that uses machine learning and neural networks to analyze data at an unprecedented scale. It works by ingesting massive datasets, processing them through layers of algorithms, and identifying trends or anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. This process allows businesses, researchers, and organizations to make smarter decisions, predict outcomes, and innovate faster. Whether it's optimizing supply chains, advancing medical research, or enhancing cybersecurity, Deepseek is revolutionizing industries by turning raw data into meaningful knowledge. In a world driven by information, Deepseek isn't just a tool, it's a game changer.